Hello and welcome to the Harriet Muller Art channel, giving you the techniques to produce amazing artwork. I've had a request to draw a mermaid, and one of my favourite paintings is by William Waterhouse, the Pre-Raphealite painter. And here's my favourite painting of his, which is called A Mermaid, which he did in 1900. Here's my version, and then we're going to do another simplified version. So all that you're going to need is some plain white paper, a pencil, an eraser, a black pen, and something to colour it in if you like it. And also, don't forget to download my free PDF of how to draw horse galloping, which you can find just here. So without further ado, let's get started. Starting off nice and simply with a circle at the top of the page. So just draw a rough circle, doesn't have to be perfect. You can draw around a coin or something. Okay, so coming out from the bottom right hand corner of the circle, we're going to be drawing a curved line coming all the way down like so, just like that. That's going to be the spine. Okay, now we're going to draw on this curved line an oval touching it. So if you just draw with me an oval like that, just like that. Then we're going to draw another oval. So this is the lower abdomen area. So there's another oval. And then just one more oval. So we're going to put the last one just here. Now these don't have to be perfect shapes. Just draw a rough guideline for yourself. Okay, so next one, we're going to be drawing the chin. So just add on a little shape onto the circle just there. Okay, once you've got that, then halfway on this oval shape, going to be drawing a line coming down, and then this line's going to come straight up. Now halfway on this line, we're going to be drawing a line just coming up like this. It's going to be the other arm. So it doesn't really look like much at the moment, but don't worry. So coming down, we're going to draw the front part of the neck, and then I'm going to extend this spine all the way up to here. And that's phase one. Okay, so now we're going to be adding in the detail. So if you just draw the top of the shoulder here, bring it round, and then the underside of the arm comes round like this, and then it comes up just underneath the chin. Put in the hand, like that, thumb there, and bring it round. And then we're going to do the same with the other arm. So it comes in and out. We're going to draw the end of the hand. Just for the time being, we're just going to draw like a box shape, and then we'll come back to it. Draw the underside there. Okay, so now we're going to bring the crown of the head and add some hair. Now this mermaid has really long, flowing, beautiful red hair. So it comes all the way down her back and flows like this. Okay, now we're just going to draw more details of the anatomy. Bring it round her belly, comes round here. Now for the fun part, we're going to be doing the fin. So I'm just going to erase a little bit here and erase this, just like that. Okay, so she's kind of sitting on her fin, so we're just going to draw the back part of it. So bring it round like that. And then she's sitting on part of it, and then this fin kind of curls round, so she's sitting combing her hair. There we go. So we're just going to draw more of this, and then the fin comes down like that, and it comes round and round like so. So there we go. Now we're just going to carry on drawing the hair. Now she's got some of her hair in her hands there, and then she's got a long lock which she's combing here. So just draw in the comb and the hair that comes underneath. Just like that. And then it comes back round. Okay, so now I'm going to do more details in pen. Okay, so focusing on her face, we're just going to bring the nose round like this, nostril there, and her lips, and then a big eye here. And then the eye on the other side, and then the eyebrow, and then the cheekbone, and then the chin, and it comes all the way around like that. And then we're going to be doing the neck, and then the top part of the shoulder, and then her hand, which I'm going to make a little bit smaller than I did before, and then the knuckles, bring it down, round, and then the underside of the arm, just like that. Okay, now we're going to go back to the hair, and then just using long lines, going to depict where the hair is going to go. She's got incredibly long, beautiful red hair. Okay, so that's that side, and then she's got parting in the middle, and then the hair comes round here as well, comes all the way down like that, and then we've got to draw the hair on the other side. It comes all the way around, like so, just like that, and then she's got grip of part of it. Okay, so we're gonna do a little bit more of the body, just bring it round, so belly button's just there, and then the part where she turns into the fish part, so tail comes down like so, and then don't forget to do the hair that's coming down from here, so could not forget that. So this is all hair coming down here. It'll make more sense once we come to colour it in, but we're just blocking it in for the time being. Okay, so now for the tail, which comes round like that, and then the fin there, just like this, and all the way around. Okay, now for the hair that reaches all the way to this arm, and it's going to be combed, so just doing the fork part of the comb, with some hair coming out from either side. There we go. And then we'll just finish off this arm. Do one finger, and then the thumb underneath, and then another finger, and then the arm. So we're going to erase all the pencil lines now and colour it in. So now that we've erased all the pencil markings, it actually looks like a little mermaid. So let's get colouring in. So using whatever medium you like, I'm just using some coloured pencils. I'm going to go over all the body parts in this nice skin colour. here's our finished mermaid picture. Hope you've enjoyed it. If you have and you're new to the channel, please consider hitting subscribe and like, and then you can get weekly notifications of when I upload a video. Anyway, if you've got any requests, please let me know, and I hope to see you on the next one. Thank you very much for joining me. Bye bye.